Hello guys, welcome to Power YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to do is bridging. I have also uploaded a short video about it. You can find it in the description below. Make sure check that out too. Alright, then let's jump into the video. So I came to the CWR to do this. Alright, now see how to do it. Okay? Yes. First, you need to press and hold S key and shift key. Then make sure to align the block exactly in the center of the cursor of this cross. Okay? After that, right click hold shift, then release shift and press it again. If button, I do this and center of block and S, and you ready to do it. Okay, I'm going to do it. 3, 2, 1. What the? I'm sorry. I try again. Sorry. This. Okay. This. That's it. If it doesn't work the first time, don't get worried. Just practice it. Once you done, training, you will be able to do it without fault. So that's end of today's video. Let's meet again in the next time. Then goodbye everyone.